Welcome to this luxury equestrian estate on 13 acres near the Villages and only about an hour and a half away from Orlando's most famous attractions. Come check it out. This home features tons of upgrades, including a fully remodeled kitchen and new appliances. Check out this amazing barn with 4 stalls, a tack room, storage room, and 2 suites, perfect for guests or staff. If you're looking for privacy and country living and luxury, this is it. Don't wait, give me a call to book your tour today.